So I welcome you all to this video. For those of you that don't know me, I'm BCFX. I've been trading for 3 years now, and in this video I'm just documenting my journey, and I'm trying to trade my way from zero to $100,000 in funded capital. Yeah, so it's not been easy so far. Currently we are on 5k funded. We already have a 5k funded account, so a lot more accounts to go. Yeah, this week for me, I've not traded. The only trade I was supposed to take was like on Wednesday, because that was the clear setup I've gotten so far this week. But while I was waiting for the market, because I was expecting the market to sell, while I was waiting for the market, I left the chart, and if I could come back to the chart, price has already moved past my entry point. That's not an excuse, but that's what has happened this weekend. It's kind of frustrating, but what more can I say? We don't have to let our frustration get to us, and we just have to be calm. And because of that, since I've missed it, I don't want to go into trading recklessly. And yesterday on Thursday didn't really present any clear setup, and then today on Friday we are waiting to see what the market is going to present. Yeah, so that's all for now, and we just have to wait. I'm not really taking any trade for today, and I'm waiting to see what the market is going to present. Yeah, so I'll just get you guys updated. Let's see if we're going to make a trade today, and if we cannot make a trade today, then we'll come back next week and see what the market have for us. Yeah, though the market is getting to the end of the month, and normally these times around like that I don't get much trades. I maybe one or two trades in a week, but from the first 2 weeks of the month, I'm more likely to get more trades from the first 2 weeks of the month, and then the second 2 weeks of the month I'm most likely going to get one trade or none. Yeah, so that's what I find out about the way I trade. Yeah, the first 2 weeks of the month I mostly get trades, and then the last 2 weeks of the month I really don't get much trades. Yeah, so that's it. It's currently not my trading session yet, so I'm just waiting for that. I'm waiting for my trading session so that I can see if I'll get set up. And why I don't really get much setups like that in a month is because I'm only trading one session, and sometimes it's not always that session is going to be good. So anytime it's not good, you don't want to force the trade. You want to like just wait for when the session is going to provide a good setup. So I'm only trading the New York crossover with the London, like the London and the New York crossover. That's like the London close and the New York open. That's when it crosses over. So that's the time I'm mostly trading, and I trade good for you all that know that. So I trade good. So that's the more reason why I don't really get much setups like that in a month. But I'm still okay with it. It's just that it's kind of like slow, but I'm still okay with it, and that's why I try to like increase my risk at time. But now that I'm in a funded phase and it's currently in drawdown, I'm just trying to make sure that I don't really increase my risk so that I can get out of the drawdown and make a payout. And that's what I'll be waiting for. So let's just go to see what the chart have for us. So on the gold chart, the daily chart is bearish. You can look that up yourself. But this is a 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart, we currently, this the target. Yeah, we have this low, and we also have another low here like that, but we can't just start selling. We need to wait for some pullbacks to happen so that we can join. So we need like to see a 4-hour pullback happening so that we can continue on the direction of the daily chart. So that's like something like this for me, the way we had a pullback here and drop. So we need something like this and drop, and I don't want to buy when the pullback is happening, because that would be like catching a short-term move, unless when the pullback happens, price come down and pay to take out this low, and we get another strong confirmation to the upside for buys. That's when I can start buying and all those things. So currently I don't see anything really happening today, and that would be that we don't have any trade this week. But there's still a lot of time. There's still a lot of time to go. We still have about 3 hours 36 minutes. So let's see what is going to happen, and if there's nothing, then we'll just call it a week. But if there is, then we'll take a trade. But if there's nothing, that will be all, and let's just wait around and see. Yeah, So I didn't catch any trade this week. That's it for this week, and we'll call it a week. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share, turn off for your boy, and you can also watch my previous video from last week, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is next week. So stay blessed.